How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to review the Kitsound Cube Bluetooth speaker. Now the one I have is a really old version and so it doesn't have Bluetooth, but the one that's out right now and is on Amazon has Bluetooth in addition to everything that the one I'm going to talk about has. And I think that's the only difference. It just has Bluetooth. So this speaker is under £10, so it's really cheap. So it's shaped like a cube, as you can see. You get it from the name. It comes in a tiny box with an auxiliary cable. So on one side you've got the line in and a line out, and also the charging cable, which is micro USB. It's got this disgusting texture on, which I don't like, but I mean it is what it is. Now on the bottom it's got a blue LED. Oh yeah, and also I forgot the on and off switch, of course. I'm just going to be using line in. Obviously there is no volume control on this, it's all on your phone, so you only have one volume control, and that's what I really like about this speaker. It's that it doesn't have any volume control or anything that messes around. It's just like a pair of headphones or earbuds that you can just plug into your phone and they work. Now, as you might have guessed by now, that you can actually use multiple of these all together by just lining them up in an array with the auxiliary cable. Now, I don't have more than one, but I don't think it's going to be stereo or anything. It's going to stay in mono because it is a mono speaker. Now, the driver is on the top, and I find that, you know, when it comes to audio, the highs and the mids are really nice. It just doesn't have a lot of low end, which I would have liked. But apart from that, it's a decent speaker. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you go pick one up. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below and we'll get on with the sound quality test. And apart from that, that's the end of this video. Goodbye.